Hello and welcome to Solar-Powered Engraving. Sunglasses and parental supervision are definitely required for this S.T.E.M challenge. My kids had some friends over the other day and one of them left open this gate, which was really bad for our dog. A lady said she hit him with her car, so we rushed him to the vet, and fortunately it was only minor injuries. Okay, good news, girls. Fixed the problem. Now when the gate is left open by friends who don't know any better when they visit, it closes automatically. Now all 4 of our backyard gates close automatically, but I need to make sure that my kids' friends know how to use them correctly so they continue to work properly. And since these gates are all being weathered outdoors, I need to make a sign that's going to last. Here you can see I have a magnifying glass set up with the summer sun behind me, and all the lens does is bend the light to focus it into a smaller area, which is very similar to putting your thumb over the hose to make the water spray farther. Here you can see I used a pencil to first trace the letters to make them look the way I want, and then I just burn over that with a focused light. It's important to note that looking at the focused light for too long without sunglasses will do damage to your eyes. So please check with the parent, wear sunglasses, and only do it for a short period of time. Fortunately, the sun stayed out long enough for me to finish these 2 signs. Once it got cloudy, it reminded me I should take out the solar viewer so I could check out the sun safely. I'll put a link in this video to how to make a cereal box version of this we did years ago. Basically, it's a pinhole near the top, and then you cut open an eye hole at the bottom, and you look through with the sun behind you, and it's amazing what you're able to see. I find this works especially well when it's slightly cloudy. Here you see the sun disappearing behind a cloud, and we're done. Okay, back to the project. Here you see the sign looks good, it's going to last a long time, and will hopefully keep our gates working properly, closing automatically, and keeping our dogs safe.